Hi, Kevin here with Lombard Equipment. I have my awesome associate Duke today help me out showing you the Spanesi Q5 3-torch welder. This is a single phase 230 volt welder packing 200 amps of welding power. It does your steel, your silicon bronze, and your aluminum. Again, one thing at Lombard Equipment, if we don't take in a welder that's not in good condition. This welder is like, it's like very, very slightly used. Everything, it's got all new tips in it, all new nozzles. It's got a brand new roll of aluminum wire with extra nozzles and tips. It's a nice welder. It's been, Spanesi's been around for a long time. This welder normally sells for around $12,000, $3,495. If you don't have an aluminum / silicon bronze welder, this is unbelievable, unbelievable to kind of save that kind of money. And it's a great welder. Very simple to use. Spanesi, call the 800 number.